The way the Irish would make their morning coffee is by adding a splash of whiskey to get things done. Let's follow that example and make an Irish coffee at home to conquer the day. You would want to start by pouring in a splash of Irish whiskey to a glass. Fill the glass with strong black coffee next, in which the sugar has been dissolved. Top it off with whipped cream. Garnish with chocolate shavings, and it's ready to serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.